Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Physics 20 Kinematics Lesson 7 Uniformly Accelerated Motion. So, you're on top of a 30-meter silo when you throw a stone down at 4.1 meters per second. What is V final? Well, I have to draw a picture here. Should choose a different color. So, throw the stone down. V initial is 4.1 meters per second. Now note it's down, so I can label this down or I can go minus. I prefer to use minus. Now, we don't know V final. We know acceleration is g, which is minus 9.81 meters per second squared. The distance is you're 30 meters up, so you're throwing it down 30 meters. And you don't have the time. So, no time. The initial...
This is Chris.
Sorry, so that would be... Let's see, final squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2AD, I think. Minus 9.81 meters per second squared times minus 30 meters. So here you got to be careful with all your minus signs. They show direction. Because if you mix up your directions, one of these negatives will end up a positive, or positive will end up a negative, and everything gets screwed up. And remember, very careful on your calculator. Negative 4.1 squared, if you put it in the minus sign bracket, minus 4.1 close bracket squared is plus 16.81. 2 times negative 9.81 times negative 30 should be plus 571.79 meters squared per second squared. Velocity final squared is 584.5 meters squared per second squared. Screw to that, you get plus or minus 24.2 meters per second. Now, we're going down, so it would be minus 24.2 meters a second. Okay? So be careful with your directions. Now, last question, kind of tricky. You're skateboarding down 6th Avenue at 4.5 meters a second when you start up the 8.8 meter long incline ramp. That should be 8 meters at the stoplight. After 2.5 seconds, you're at the top of the incline. What is your final velocity and acceleration? So here, draw a picture. You're going up the incline to the ramp. So the initial is 4.5 meters per second. We do not know V final. Notice I'm asking for acceleration. Since you're not going straight up and down, acceleration does not equal gravity. So it does not equal minus 9.81 meters per second squared. Your distance is 8 meters, 2.5 seconds. So, we do not have acceleration. We do not have V final. So, without acceleration, the only formula I can think of is displacement is 1/2 V initial plus V final times time. Okay, so plugging the numbers in here. 8.0 meters equals 1/2 4.5 meters per second. That's V final times 2.5 seconds. Now, the way I was taught to do this was to multiply the half by the 2.5 to be 1.25 seconds times 4.5 meters per second plus V final. Now, can you multiply it all out? Yes. I just think this is the easier way. Now, the reason I do that is I can divide both sides by 1.25 seconds. So 6.4 plus V final. So Now it's really easy to solve. How do I get rid of plus 4.5? Minus 4.5 from both sides. .4 minus 4.5 is 1.9 meters a second. So when you get there, you're going 1.9 meters a second through the stoplight, which is not good. You're supposed to stop at the stoplight. Anyway, the other question is, what's the acceleration? Now you have v initial, you have v final, you have displacement, you have time. You have to solve for acceleration. I think the easiest equation to use, velocity final equals velocity initial plus at. There are others, I don't care. So 1.9 meters a second equals 4.5 meters a second plus, sorry, not times, plus a times 2.5 seconds. Minus, forgive me. That's a plus 4.5, so the easiest thing to do is subtract 4.5 meters a second from both sides. So that gives me a velocity of minus 2.6 equals a times 2.5 seconds. So a is minus 2.6 meters a second divided by 2.5 seconds, which is minus 1.04 meters per second squared. Okay? Now that's the nastiest question I can throw at you. If you've got that, I'm happy. And you can go on and do the practice questions on the worksheet. If not, watch the video again, think about it, shoot me an email. Good luck.